What's good, guys? It's me, Becca Lynn, and I couldn't make that super dramatic because I'm in my car. So I'll try one more time. What's good, guys? It's me, Becca Lynn, and today, you can't tell by this right here, you've never been thrifting before because this is Savers and we're going thrifting. Today, I am going to be doing another thrift that aesthetic with me. Today, we are going to be doing the new metal aesthetic, my go-to, my trusty old aesthetic. I just rewatched my video to get the gears going. As I remembered, there is not a super lot to it. There's not any very specific colors or patterns or textures even to look for. It's just kind of like 90s street style skater hip hop grunge is kind of the vibe that we're going for. So I kind of wanted to have a nice easy, relaxed day thrifting. I'm gonna say relaxed, I'm not gonna get stressed the hell out in there by having to film in front of people. I just realized this is also the store where this guy literally watches me film every time. The guy that works here. And he sings to himself and he talks to himself and he's always like, yo! And I'm like, can you? I just remember that. Cool. I have no mics today because every time I've done that, it has failed miserably. So how much talking I'm gonna do? I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. Let's get into it. Okay, actually I did forget, we are looking for some Puma and Adidas. That was something that was big for this. I mean, I don't know if we'll actually find anything, but I'll keep an eye out for it. I forgot how loud music is in here, so Vans along with Adidas and Puma shoes were all shoes that go along with the aesthetic. I find so many Vans here, I'm not even gonna lie. These are perfect. These are actually in such good condition. I'm like, look, you want to replace mine. Low top grade version. I found a couple other more. I was like, I don't need to show all of these, but there's always Vans here. I didn't even think about it. Check the activewear. That's how I found both of these Adidas sweatshirts. The pink one, maybe a girly new metal. Kind of cute, actually. I could see it. And then the tracksuit, perfect. I really like those. And then these are not Adidas Puma, but they kind of give a similar vibe. Could be cool with some cool sneakers. And then a flannel. I don't really need to show you guys anything oversized, grungy. I really like this one actually. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but I like it. So now we're on to the men's section, which I hope I find a good amount in, because that's where a lot of the stuff would be found. Some reason, apparently I graphed these so bad. These two are the only two. I would say Banties, but there's literally none. Another thing, I could not find any Cargos, orange or nuns, or Ravens in the baggy jeans. Crazy. You can't win them all, I guess. I feel like I did find a good amount. I mean, definitely a lot of Adidas stuff, which definitely goes along with the aesthetic. not so much my version of the aesthetic, I guess. I'm more like big oversized band t-shirts, cargo pants, really baggy jeans, and for some reason they had nothing there like that today, which is very odd for a thrift store. I feel like those are like staples that you can always find at a thrift store. So I don't know. Definitely if I had time would go to another thrift store to show you guys, but I think that this is an easy enough aesthetic that you can understand the necessary pieces for it, if that makes sense. I know that I got these cargo pants that I did in my last haul. I got those from literally the Savers. So I'm like, if I only found these this time, because these are pretty new metal, I would say. Struck gold with the Adidas. I wish I found a whole Adidas tracksuit though. That would have been so funny. But we found a bunch of Vans shoes. There's Adidas shoes, but they're all running shoes. They gotta be like the skater shoes, like these Puma ones right here. Can you see that? Can you see what I'm putting down? These. But yeah, it's like that kind of style, or like a skater shoe style is preferable. This aesthetic is probably one of the easiest aesthetics to thrift for. I know that this video did not prove that at all, but I promise you it is, okay? Maybe it's just an off day, all right? You can do it. If you are into this aesthetic, you can do it. You can do anything you put your mind to. So sorry that was kind of a bust, but I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. I had a lot of fun. I am pretty tired now, so I'm excited to go eat dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what you'd like to see me do next. And while you are down there, if you could just press like and subscribe, that would be absolutely amazing. And as always, I appreciate you guys. And